G'day guys, we're here for day one of the Variety B2B Bash. We're ready to go, there's over 100 cars here, and 300 people participating. Dick Smith's just finished on the stage, and we're about to head off. Stop one for day one. We're here at Yarramalong Public School. They've put on a great feed for us for lunch. Let's go and check it out.
And all the bashes here today. That's a certificate we hope you can hang on the wall to remember us that we had a little stopover at this fabulous little school. Jamie, shake on with everybody.
So here we are, the end of day one. We made it to Singleton. We've managed to break a bonnet clip, so we've done a bit of a bush mechanic job. We've fixed it here. Other than that, she's dirty, but she's strong. Great day on the bash today. Near miss with a kangaroo, but other than that, it's awesome!